Welcome back, explorers! Today, in letter sound sightings, Ollie's looking for pictures that have the letter E sound at the beginning. Get out those binoculars and let's see if we can find the pictures that have the eh sound at the beginning. Clap once when you see a picture that starts with the eh. Are you ready? Let's do this! Elf. Elf. Zigzag. Zigzag. Robot. Robot. Egg. Egg. Mushroom. Mushroom. Elephant. Elephant. Did you find the 3 pictures that start with the eh sound? Elf, egg, elephant. That was fun. I'm so proud of you.